I'm making breakfast, some French toast, and if you want some like easy, really good French toast, use some cinnamon swirl or something similar bread, and it's already like pre-seasoned, makes it a little bit easier.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Packing up, heading out. It's been real Tampa RV show, but it really was a great show, and if you ever have a chance, I highly recommend you give it a go. So I just did a quick and dirty little sweep of the Airstream, shook off the rugs. Neighbors got their generator running. Getting all hooked up, just about ready to roll on out.
Yeah, unfortunately. It's a really good time here.
Yeah.
It's kind of sad to leave.
It is a little bit sad. I'm a little bummed.
Yeah. But we're about out of fresh water, so we're going to go about 5 miles to the Flying J truck stop. It's right by Lazy Days. We're going to dump the tanks, get fresh water, move on.
Yep. Head south, I think.
You want to have evidence, right?
Well, we have a YouTube channel. Now he's a professional.
Yeah, I guess so.
Holy cow.
Look at that. Woo woo.
Truck driver.
Wow.
Nice rig.
Thank you. It's like you've done it a time or two before, Mike.
Couple times. I could probably move over a little.
Look at that perfection. Right on the edge.
See this left? Piper. Piper. They're on to me. What are you doing? The inevitable?
Yes. The thing that's not as fun when you're camping for longer trips is you eventually have to do laundry, and we gotta do it.
Yeah, we got plenty.
We have lots of stuff.
That's for about a week,
Yeah,
so not bad.
not too bad. We've got enough quarters. We have our own laundry detergent and fabric softener, so we're good.
Yeah, we use the detergent in those little, like, pods.
Yeah, we have pods and pourable, just a bottle of it.
It's currently 79, feels like 81 degrees. I cannot be happier. We've got all the windows open, everything.
Even the back. Just have the shade drawn.
Yeah, the shade's pulled because Piper kept going there, but everything's open. Open.
Even the roof vents are open.
It's beautiful.
Here and shower and the bathroom all have roof vents that are open. It feels amazing. It's
No, it's
awesome.
not amazing?
Home.
Yes.
Not amazing. Okay, so I was just looking at this, and currently it is 28 degrees, feels like 18, and they are expecting snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches tonight, and then tomorrow another 1 to 3 inches. High winds 20 to 30, so it's going to be blowing and drifting and just garbage.
Yeah, January in Florida is pretty nice.
Totally understand why people do this. So does Piper. She's loving this.
Yep.
She's queen of the Airstream.
You want to go out to eat?
Yeah.
I'm going to take you somewhere fancy.
Ooh, I wonder where.
It's going to be romantic as hell. What's happening?
I think the older community has had a few too many. Hey, go this way.
Come on.
I was like trying, he's like, Piper's in my way.
Come on.
This way, Piper.
Go on now. Good walk, good walk.
Good walk.
Piper decided to help me edit.
Yes.
I wasn't doing good enough.
No, she had some pretty good critiques.
But anyway, we are getting ready to wrap up our stay at the Pine Island KOA.
Yeah.
It's, what is today?
Sunday.
The 19th.
Okay.
And it's like 70 degrees. And part of our planning from here home is trying to not freeze up this trailer when we get up north.
Mm-hmm. Pretty important.
Yeah, right now at home it's 18 degrees, feels like 6, with a low of 13 tonight.
Yeah, let's avoid that at all costs.
Yeah, we have successfully camped down to like 20 degrees without freezing up. And Wednesday, the high is 35 with an overnight low of 27, so we're good there. Thursday, 39, overnight low of 29. Friday, 37, low of 33. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is probably the window we're shooting for.
Basically, it's telling us to don't come home till Friday.
Yeah, we're trying to decide if we can route ourselves up through Louisville, Kentucky for the RV show there.
Or if we should just hang out another couple of days down here, or really what?
Yeah, we could burn another day or two down here before we go home. I would like to go to the RV show, but it's not a must because it's cold up there.
Yeah, and it's not a must because we literally just hit some of the biggest RV shows in the country.
Oh yeah, I mean Cleveland, Columbus, Tampa. So
yeah, some big ones.
It's just fun because I know it's like seeing the same stuff over and over again, but we always run into people that watch us, and that's what we enjoy. We enjoy talking to the people that watch our videos.
Right, and we can't get enough of that. We truly love that part of having a channel.
Yeah.
So does Piper.
So we're going to be out of here tomorrow morning, and we're going to stay within the state. We're going to go north, but we'll see.
Yeah, nothing is set in stone as of yet, but that doesn't mean we won't head further north, or we might not go south. Who knows?
Yeah, I mean, from Fort Myers south we can go to like Naples,
head to the East Coast,
go up towards the Georgia line. I don't know.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. But until then, we'll Catch you guys later.
See ya.
See ya.